Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Earn with Ansar. Today, we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube. Let's jump right in and explore 3 ways to monetize your content on the platform. First up, the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to earn money from ads running on their videos, as well as from viewers clicking through to merchandise pages and other affiliate links. To join, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Once approved, you can start experimenting with ads and figuring out how much money you can make per 1,000 views CPM. Next up is brand deals. By joining an influencer marketplace like Creator Studio or Talent House, you can connect with big brands looking for creators like you. The pay can range from a few $100s to $50,000 or more per post, depending on your following and engagement rates. To land these deals consistently, focus on growing your following and engagement rates, while also establishing a strong personal brand. Finally, there are sponsorships for multi-channel videos. When partnering with a brand like Lay's or Geico for a specific spot within your next multi-channel video, you could be paid anywhere from $15 to $25 per 1,000 views if the ad is skipped, and sometimes, even if it's not skipped. Keep an eye out for these opportunities in your inbox if you join a marketplace or get invited by a company that works with them. That's it for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in learning how to make money on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and hit that subscribe button for more content like this one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.